What if your husband's jeans or underwears are literally shrinking your chances of having a baby? So, Dr. Maunika, what are men doing wrong with their wardrobes that are hurting their sperm?
The sperm production requires a temperature which is lower than our core body temperature. So when the men wear these tight underwear, the scrotum, the testes, they are pulled closer towards the abdomen. The local temperature rises and also the blood flow is hampered. Due to this, the sperm production declines, even the quality of the sperms might go down. Effects are not just limited to the sperm health, they will definitely subsequently affect the pregnancies as well. When the local temperature is high, the sperms carrying the DNA undergoes injuries, which is referred to as a DNA fragmentation. There can be a higher risk of difficulty at conceiving naturally and also a higher risk of miscarriages.
What can be the possible test that can denote at what stage is the DNA fragmentation in us?
So it is simple. The sperm DNA fragmentation, we call it as DFI in a short form. So we have a solution for this that is in the form of an artificial intelligence AI automated semen analyzer. Now the institutions, when they do adopt these systems to see for the semen analysis, one is the accuracy, the precision are at definitely a higher level. Second is the turnaround time is very low. So the results we get much faster because it's a artificial intelligence computer management thing. Now third is it will also help us to select better sperms to be injected into the eggs in an IVF procedure, giving better quality embryos. That will ensure that the success rates are on a higher level.
Will the new age boxers and all these loose clothes, are those recommended?
So basically we need to be mindful of the difference between tight clothing and comfortable clothing. So comfortable clothing ensures that there is a free movement of air to the testicles. It's not hampering the blood flow and also the local temperatures.
What about these tight gym wear for like wearing 1 hour or 2 hours?
That would give us the support because at the time of gym or the aerobics or the cardio, in fact for women, we always recommend that they're wearing some kind of a sports bra. Otherwise all these are hanging soft tissues. They might undergo injury. So yes, during that short time frame it is fine, but for the rest of the day, like I say, it should be a breathable underwear.
If you're still in gym briefs or skinny jeans, your fertility is gasping for air. So men, act now and get tested.